When it comes to San Francisco Bay Area real estate, most buyers are searching for turnkey perfection, while others are looking for an opportunity.
If opportunity is your goal, I'd like to introduce my newest listing at 2706 Pruneridge Avenue in Santa Clara. Priced at $2,350,000, this home is positioned well below many move-in ready properties in the area, making it an exceptional blank slate for buyers who want to create a home that reflects their vision, or for investors looking for their next project. The property features 4 spacious bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a generous-sized primary suite with a large footprint and ample storage. You'll also find separate living and family rooms, a formal dining room, and a swimming pool, perfect for enjoying the South Bay sunshine. And when it comes to location, you're just minutes from Silicon Valley's leading high-tech employers, including Apple, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, ServiceNow, and Adobe.
If you're ready to see the potential for yourself, contact me today for a private showing. I'm Darlene Perry, your San Francisco Bay Area real estate connector. I'll see you there.